Conversation 1.
Are you coming to the meeting?
When is it?
It's at 1. It starts soon.
Is the boss coming?
Yes, he's already there, I think.
What about Sue?
I don't know. She's not here yet.
What about Jerry?
He just called. He's still out sick.
He's still sick. Lucky him.
Well, it's almost time. We better go.
Right. I'll be right there.
Conversation 2.
I'm back.
Welcome home.
Is dinner ready yet?
Not yet, but it's almost done.
Is the table set?
Yes, I already did it.
Are the kids back yet?
No, they're still outside playing, but they should be back soon. I already texted them.
So, what's for dinner?
Lasagna. It's still cooking, but it's almost done.
Great. I'm starving.
Conversation 3.
Do you still work with Joe?
No, not anymore. He just quit.
Oh no. Why?
He just got a new job. He already started it, I think.
What about Sue?
She's still there, but not for long. She just put in her notice.
She is quitting too. Why?
She just got engaged. She's moving to London. Her fiancé's from there.
Well, your company is lucky to still have you.
For now anyway.
Are you quitting too?
Not yet, but soon. I already started looking.
Conversation 4.
Hello, this is Maria. How can I help you?
Oh, no. Not again.
Hello, are you still there?
Yes, I am still here.
Thank you for waiting. Can I get your account number?
What? I just gave it to the last person.
I'm sorry. Can you give it to me again?
Why? I already gave it to the last operator.
I know, but for security reasons, I need it again.
Okay, but this is ridiculous.
I'm sorry, sir. I promise that we'll be finished soon.
Okay, my number is